Welcome back to Bricks Roblox, and today we are playing Superhero Tycoon, and I'm Spider-Man. She is a Batman.
I'm Iron Man.
So yeah, let's get started. So they're gonna go to their base. I have to I have to let you guys
You
out.
can just jump out, Casey.
Yeah, but you can't jump in. Okay. I'm gonna get my money. So right now I've started a little bit. All I have really is the wall security door and then this one thing. Yeah, there's this guy literally throwing toilet plungers at us.
And no, he's shooting them with a gun. He's trying to hit us with wood that has like a nail in it. He's weird.
Who's Ant Man?
Shooting at me.
Oh, I have a gun.
Security door.
You can get gun blocks that give you guns.
I know. There's boxes. I have a sword now. You just gotta keep watch for when the boxes come.
Loadout pad? What's this?
That's where you get your weapons.
Yeah,
I have that. I'm starting to buy one.
Robot spider, lightning orb. This stuff sounds cool. I want
The
that.
spiders, you put the spiders down and a whole bunch of spiders come out and they like your body thing.
Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna get the lightning orb since I almost have enough. Actually, how much is this? I'm gonna get that first just so that I'm gonna get the mega gripper just so that I can get some more money. Then I'm gonna get the lightning orb and then the little spider things.
I literally have 5 droppers and it's still. I'm gonna get my security.
What does this do?
And then I'm gonna get all my other stuff.
Submit.
I'm going out with my fire sword.
Oops, you don't have. No, I don't want to do that.
If nobody sees me. Okay, now it's just
some pieces in the pocket.
I'm sneaking up on some people. Oh, it's Superman!
Okay.
Yeah. If you can get like jumping things, I could jump onto the top of his house. I just killed somebody.
Okay, I got this lightning orb now. Do you know what this does?
Yeah, you hold it and then you shoot with it.
I'm gonna shoot this guy. This is what you get. This is what you get! Okay, it's not doing
You
anything.
have to get closer.
Please. Keep shooting him. Everyone shoot him. Yes, he died.
Run!
But I'm gonna die, so I actually need to. How much are the next walls? 2,500.
And everyone knows how far I go.
The ultimate upgrader for 3,750.
Oh my gosh! That's so amazing.
I'm never gonna have enough for that.
I'll come visit you in a few minutes.
Ooh. Okay, guys, let's go check out their bases, Cason's, and
and you're gonna vote and see who's the best so far.
I'm gonna go to yours first. Wait, that's not yours. Batman has the same.
I can fly now.
Wait, is there 2 Batmans?
No, there's a Batman and then there's a Wolverine. Hey,
Oh, that's
guys,
what.
I have booster glass.
Ow!
I can fly now.
Superman's killing me.
Superman's not nice anymore.
Superman's killing me. I thought Superman was supposed to help us. Like, I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man and Superman. I thought they were like friends.
I'll let you in a second. Just give me a second. I'm gonna get my house.
He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Let me out. Thank you. So this is our base right now. It's pretty much the same as mine.
Wait, I'm just gonna get one more thing.
Yeah, I have that. This is the thing that I'm getting next.
Oh,
No,
I
no, I have this. I have
need
it.
to get a layout pad. If you stay for one more second, I'll have a layout pad. Hey guys, if you come to my
Oh, you can get a grappling hook?
yes, I need that in speed boots. Oh yes, I can get it to Spider-Man's base with the
Oh, you mean
hook.
Superman's? That's my base is not that tall. You can get through it like for 5 seconds.
Hey, can I grab the grappling hook from your base also?
Can you unlock it so I can?
Oh, yes,
I never mind. Oh,
Yeah, you
wait.
can just jump.
It's
You
on
have
what?
to go up on here.
On what? Oh, right. Okay, I'm gonna try to get over to Cason's base quickly. What is yours?
I want the grappling hook. His is
What color are yours, Cason?
Iron Man. Oh, I just died. I think that one.
Oh, yeah, it's yours. So.
No, that's not it. It's yellow right next to us.
Oh, it is? Oh, I see it. Okay,
Oh,
let
yeah.
me in.
Okay, I'm gonna can you let me in? I want the grappling hook. I don't have it yet. Oh.
I just did I?
You just did.
I told you to let me in.
I did. I opened the door.
Oh my god, I have a lot of money. I have so much money.
And I'm gonna have a lot of weapons in a second.
Why is it just up? He thinks that when he blows up my door, it's actually gonna blow anything up.
Yes, if I'm just Spider-Man's face.
Let me get my leg.
I mean, Superman's face.
Wait, do you have the grappling hook?
Yeah, I just got it.
What'd you get? What does he have? Are you getting
He
his
has
stuff?
laser glasses, whatever his gun is. maybe just secretly pronounce it. Oh, he has Canada. He's with Canada. Hopefully. Then a second he could just. Oh, he has one of the jumping. Oh, it's not one of the jumping things. So they have one of those jumping toys.
Guys, I can't show you, but I can't show you guys, but she's in the base, so I'm gonna actually try to go. I'm gonna go get her stuff, and then we're gonna break into the base together so that we can get the stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over to my base so you guys can. Yeah.
So that we're all gonna go on a hunt through Superman's base since he is the biggest one right now.
I just got all the stuff.
Wait, okay, I keep dying now.
Okay, open the gate.
Dare enough to give me a second.
Okay.
I keep dying.
Grapple her. Just wait a second for Brooklyn to come back.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Hey, I'm all the way on the other side of your base.
I remember when I played Batman sometimes things like this, and I just love the grapple hook.
Yeah, it's very helpful actually.
Wait, can you let me out?
Don't go over it. Wait, no, you have to stay in until Brooklyn gets back.
She's right there. Come on, let her in now.
You better not go out.
Okay, I need to
Get the grapple hook. That's literally all I have. Okay, come on, secretly go over to.
Will you let me out?
Wait, no, guys,
just jump out.
Alright.
Wait, no, can you guys come to my base? I'll let you in my base.
In a second.
Is this
he's actually there.
Oh my god, I just died. What happened?
He's
Oh
not-
my god.
He's not AFK anymore, guys. Okay,
Something just happened, guys. I'm gonna lose the... No, look!
Guys,
He
Superman!
hasn't seen me.
Back up! I need backup. Superman's literally attacking me, shooting me from the roof.
I know. I'm going up to his base to kill him.
So,
I need
yeah.
backup.
I'm coming.
Okay, well, I'm just
Come on,
gonna...
he's over there. He pinned me down.
Guys, I mean, I tried. But I don't know.
I'm coming up.
I need help back in your base.
Give me a second.
I'm gonna die. Superman's shooting you guys.
Dead.
Yes, we got him. Okay, now we have to run because he's right there.
Okay.
Get the 2 weapons, Kason. Or the 3. Oh, Superman.
Let me in, 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 let me in!
No. Oh.
Superman downstairs.
I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
I'm coming.
Just kill yourself.
Get out of his base.
Ah, you've gotta be...
Why did you lock it? Here, I'm just gonna leave it open.
I can't get back to your base.
Guys, I'm like trying so hard not to
He
die.
pinned me down from the roof.
I really want to go on Superman's base so that you guys can see it. Alright, you don't want to die. Oh, I want those too. It would be so easier to get back over to your house. Okay, open the door.
My game's glitched out.
Thank you.
I can't move.
He's actually pretty good.
Speedy
Don't
boo.
forget, jump. Not.
Hey, keep your door open. I need to come back over.
Oh my god.
Damn it! Come on!
Oh no, I can't get to my door.
I'm so mad right now.
Hey, no, Lexa, let me in.
Come on, go in. It's unlocked. Wait. Why do you need to let you in? You have this hands.
Well, yeah, I can't fly over.
Okay, what do I need next? I need this thing. How much is this? Do I have enough? Yeah, I have enough.
Wait for Brooklyn, Jason.
These literally do not speed you
Hey
up.
guys, wait for me. I'm coming.
I think I have the best base so far.
Because I'm never in
All
my
I
base.
have is the lightning orb because I don't feel like buying the other thing.
I'm never in my base.
Well, I already bought the other things.
Guys, this video is off to a stupid start. Like a really rough start. Like, weird.
Failing! Palios.
Okay, please keep your door unlocked. Unlock
Open
it,
the
please.
door. I want to go to my base.
You know what I want to do? I just want to
No,
see
please
this
don't.
guy so bad right now.
He just left.
Well, then let's go.
Okay, unlock your door. Unlock your door before I punch you.
Oh, wait. Why can't we just, like...
What's this?
I can't.
You can just go raid other people.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go to other people's. I'm not gonna let anyone in here, so I don't have to watch this. Wait, guys, you gotta wait for me.
Wait, where's Superman's base? He's just the tallest
Superman
one.
just left. That's who he was talking about. Now let's go to him.
The purple person.
That's why he had 1200, because he's this dude.
What's his
That
name?
makes sense. He's Beast Boy. Beast Boy obviously is gonna have that. Oh, he's flipping coming after me.
That was a mistake.
Rocket launcher.
Wait,
Oh, he just destroyed you. I'm out of here.
I'm getting on top of Superman's. I'm on top of Superman's.
Superman left.
Oh, there's a different
No, he
Superman.
didn't.
Oh, there's another Superman.
Oh, look, I'm super freaking...
You walked through his thing, so that's why.
I'm gonna get the wizard staff and the flying spell. I can fly now.
Yeah, Superman's not here.
Oh, well then whoever this guy is over here can fly. No, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. No! No!
That's Beast Boy, the person who killed you earlier with the Twilight Puggy.
Fudge.
Thing.
I was so far, you
I'm
serious?
flying.
Get to Beast Boy's base.
No! Beast Boy has a door. I ran into the door when I was trying to use my grappling hook.
Hey, Alexa, there's something right next to you that's also...
Am I the only one, like, actually focusing on my base?
Wait, should I just, like, put this into the... I'm just gonna, like...
I have the second floor.
Me too. I have the second floor. I just need to get the stairway.
I need lights in the stairways as well.
By staircase, by lights.
I'm going to Batman. He's a girl. Oh, wait, no, I'm Batman.
You mean Ant-Man?
Ant-Man. Who's a woman. Ant-Man.
Where's Ant-Man?
Well, I'm in her basement. Oh my god, her gun. She has animal claws. OMG. I love animal claws. They're so good.
Wait, no, that's left.
Oh, I have the stairs. I'm going to the second floor, guys. You can come over and get my stuff. I'm gonna get... Let's see what I'm...
Right now, I'm going to Ant-Man.
Don't forget there's boxes. Boxes are out. Boxes are out.
What?
Boxes.
I don't want them.
There's a gun box.
Oh, I really want it. I don't have a gun.
Oh, I want one of those, actually. I didn't realize it spins money. Wait, I want to get a money box.
They're all gone.
Where's the gun box?
I saw 9,000.
I wanted a gun box.
Okay.
Well, that's why you gotta
You
go
guys ready to
down.
see what I'm gonna get? Everyone come to my base. I'm gonna leave the door unlocked.
I can just watch you on the video.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so there's only 3 more minutes of this video because I only have 51. But if you'd like to see more Spider-Man, then or more like tycoons.
5, 4.
Shut up.
I was coming down to get this bag. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it.
In the bike, I get a bike.
The bikes don't work.
You're mean.
I tried bikes.
You've never played Spider-Man on this one?
Yeah, I have.
I've never played Spider-Man.
Need to get to the second floor.
Oh my gosh, I have the spider. I forgot. I want to try these.
It's the robot dog.
I'm gonna go do this on this
What
guy.
does the robot dog do?
It's a robot dog. It does
Does
dog
it kill
stuff.
people?
Probably.
Robot dog? Can you kill people?
They can like go through the door.
Robot dog?
Unless you die, now they died.
Robot dog, do you kill people? Nope.
Animal claws. Yep, animal claws. Yep, animal claws. It's my sword. My version of a sword. Why am I not wearing my sweet boots? I'm gonna kill her with her own weapon.
Okay, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.